Hi friends, today we are going to make a paper boat. For this project we're gonna use a regular paper. Let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna fold this bottom edge all the way up to the top and press it down. And now add it in halfway one more time this way. Line it up and press it down. Now we're gonna open it back once it is folded. Make sure the open edge is at the top. Now fold the bottom, this edge to the middle, to the center, and fold it all the way down and repeat the same on the other side. Now after folding on both the sides, we're going to take this edge up here and fold along it down. Press it harder. Flip it over. Now fold this corner to the center and repeat the same on the other side. Repeat the same on the other side of the paper. Once it is done, take this bottom and fold it all the way up and press it. Now pick up the model and open it up. It should be looking like a little pocket and press it all the way up and fold it. Now it should look like a diamond or like a square. And now we're going to take this corner and fold it up to the bottom corner. Flip it over and repeat the same. Now it should look like a little triangle. Now again, pick the model and open it up. It should look like a small pocket again and press it all the way down and it should look like again like a diamond. Pick it up. Now pinch the corner at the top and open it up. Press it all the way down and pick up the model. It should look like a boat. Now our paper boat is ready. Let's test whether it floats or not. For this I have taken a little bowl filled with the water and some crayons. I'll put some crayons inside the boat so that it will balance on both the sides, and put the boat in the water. Yep, it's floating. Thanks for watching.